Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for Janastin. Hope you guys doing well. Today I will share with you how did I dye my hair at home by myself and what kind of product I used today and some tips and tricks to dye hair. And please watch the video till the end. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for the next notification. So this is my pre-bleached hair. I did that 1 year ago. Now I'm using 2 combs to brush my hair. So these combs I'm using for separating my hair and sectioning, and I'm gonna make 6 sections. For dyeing my hair I'm using this black t-shirt. This is an old t-shirt I always use for dye hair, or if I use any hair pack. So you guys can use any kind of old t-shirt, it will match. I always choose to use any kind of old t-shirt. So you guys can see how I separate my hair to doing these sections, and it is really important whenever you wanna dye your hair at home. So now I'm taking 1 bowl and 1 brush for color, bleach powder and 1 spoon and hand gloves. And for bleaching I'm taking 3 spoon bleach powder first and 30 volumes developer 3 spoon. So the quantity would be 1:1 for developer and bleach, and I'm gonna mix it very well. So guys, I used total 8 spoons bleach for overall my hair. I did it later. And make sure to blend well and use the bleach right after you blend it. After blending this mixture, it's gonna be look like a thick paste, and I'm gonna use this right now. And also I need foil, so I'm gonna section my hair like a 1 inch, not more than that. I'm trying to make the section little thinner, not thicker. So you can see I'm starting to apply bleach on my hair, and I'm not starting from the top of my hair because I'm doing ombre. I'm applying these like a waterfall, and I'm applying the stripe 2, 3 or 4 on my hair. It depends on my hair how much I'm taking, and I'm blending it all over to the end of my hair. And also I'm spreading little bit bleach on the foil too, so that the bleach goes even to the end of my hair. And guys, please make sure you are not allergic to the fume of the bleach and developer, because it has very strong fume, and if it's bother you, don't do that. It's really hard. So now I'm folding the foil, and the same way I'm gonna dye all my hair, so stay with me. Now I'm showing you so closely how I paint my hair with the bleach when I want to do ombre, and trust me, it turned out really good. You guys can see at the end of the tutorial, and to me this is the easiest way, and yeah, I like this way. You guys can try. guys, I'm almost done. After that I'm gonna wait 40 minutes, and after that I will wash my hair with the blonde care shampoo. And after shampooing my hair, this is how the hair color came out. I need to lighten up more for my hair color, so I'm gonna use today Voila T14 and 20 volume of developer. So I'm gonna use 1 portion of Voila and 2 portion of developer. I'm gonna make thick paste, and I will use for 20 minutes, though it says to leave it 30 minutes. I'm not gonna keep that long. So it says to keep 30 minutes after I apply the toner, and I'm not gonna keep that long because I'm not gonna tone down that much. I will keep 20 minutes, and after that I'll wash my hair. And yes, I forget to tell you guys that I use this toner after washing my hair, and it's wet hair. You guys don't need to dry hair. And this is how the hair color comes out after 20 minutes. And I washed second time my hair, and after that I blow dry. Now I'm using Clairol Flare Me Light and Blush Pink color, and I'm using 10 volume developer, and the quantity would be 1:1, like 1 spoon developer and 1 spoon color. For my hair, I'm using the whole tube and the same portion of the developer, and spreading to all over my bleached hair. And I will wait for 30 minutes, and after that I will wash my hair with the conditioner only, no more shampoo. And after that I will blow dry my hair, and I'll come back to you guys to show how my hair color turn out. So guys, here is the final look of my hair. I really love the color, and it took 4 hours total to complete this look. I really love it. I blow dried my hair after I wash, and make sure to do that. Don't leave your hair wet, and it's really important. And of course, keep your children away from those chemicals. And you guys also can follow all those steps if you want to. Hope you guys like this tutorial today, and if you guys like or have any question, let me know in comment below. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will appreciate it. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.